Morning. So I'm going to show you what happens every day in my little hobby room. We've had a boo-boo, so I've contacted Bamboo for a couple of replacement parts. We've got to start printing Doc Brown today. I've set up one of them Etsy shops as well. So I listed some other day and Doc Brown sold. I printed a Doc Brown, so we're going to have to get him posted. So I'm going to get him wrapped up, print a label and get him in the post box. I need him under here. I'll show you in a minute. So I've printed 3 of these and you put them together and they come like that. And these just slide on. Well, it's supposed to be. Oh, look at that. So what we're putting in there, you might have seen, so my key rings, what I put together. So they can go in there now. It looks like it wants 4 though. Got 4 now. Magnets. I haven't found a note for that. Oh, by the way, I printed these as well. I'll leave link in the description. Perfect. Get one at the side of it now. You've just got to line it up right. Oh yeah, one more. It's all about making space in here, isn't it? One in there. One in there. By the way, for nearly 4 hours to print these. I'm going to annoy you all now. Because I run out of grey. So I printed light grey. The crocodiles are ready. Yeah, they're ready. Don't need that bit, but I need him. Let's have a look at him. So somebody says, can I print me a crocodile? Look, I printed him as a flexi. So I printed 5 of them. Oh, have you ever wondered how you get these off? Just pull off. I got another one. Can anybody guess what it is? It's to go with my Back to the Future collection. This is next job I'm on with, the holder for the coasters. So I've been filling it up. Still a few more to go. My Pokeballs need finishing. I'll put them together. Also, my bowl's ready because get these stupid supports off. By the way, I did print it in PETG because it's food safe one. So this is what she has hanging all over. Right, she needs more fruit now, doesn't she?
Oh, you made me a fruit bowl?
Yeah, because you're always leaving cardboard boxes everywhere. See, this is where she stores the fruit in the fridge.
I did it out the fridge anyway, so...
There you go. I was going to make a banana one. Job complete. That's them Pokeballs finished. And also I finished my coaster holder. Our lass has had a crazy idea. She's only gone and bought a Christmas tree. Yes, it is only May. She wants me to prepare for Christmas so we can print in a load of Christmas stuff. So, you're not going to believe this, but all this, right, is just one item. And it's took me 2 days to print this lot. So, I need to get my trusty glue and start putting it together. Put that in there. For another item, I don't know what's going in there yet, like. We're just waiting for them, more of them to print, really. By Doc Brown. I hate bubble wrap. Put him in there. Where's my Pews on Tour stickers? Put one of them in, because I don't even know if they're subscribing or not. And that's it. One label. Job done. Right, I got to print another Doc Brown, haven't I? But first, got to take all these support stuff. Oh, if you wondered what's on computer, that's I'm just editing a Pews on Tour video. I've got some arms, got another arm, centerpiece, and that's it. It's a few hours later. Someone's just ordered a Pokeball, so just sorting this out now. I'll pull you down so you can see. So this is top. Some sort of supports in the middle. And this is the base, this is rubbish. Pokeballs, these sell a bit mental, to tell you the truth. Bit of glue, and then that goes on to there, slots in place. So is that one, and it has a ring around it as well. That ring goes on there, like so. The button goes up there in the middle. You don't. That goes on inside. Bit of glue, and that goes on there. And also, I've printed a little stand for him, so that just can sit there and dry. So that's replaced into my bits that I've done over here. And I can put him there, and I'll put him there to dry for the council. Morning, it's another day, another dollar. I've done my cupboards now, all my models, looking good, and I've got this magnet that goes down here as well. It's a strip that I got off Amazon, and it's not a good magnet in. It's not a good magnet, is it? Yeah, brilliant magnet in back of there. Yeah, brilliant. I'll put him back on there. I did have one that did go on a minute ago. I don't know what difference is. They're exactly the same. Oh, but that one holds up. So I don't know what that's about. Anyway, I'll put him on there as well. So currently I'm printing pinhead, and I'm waiting for these pins, but unfortunately I got 2.5 hours to wait. You know, like I've got these Pokeballs, what I've been starting collecting. I was thinking of putting a bracket outside of this cupboard, so it can go there like that, but I've got the magnet here, so I was thinking about on this side, but it's just there. And the Pokeballs can sit on here and I can put them all the way down. I'll show you that when it happens. Gonna be a while for them printing. About 7 hours, 37 minutes left for them to go. Someone's just ordered a 3D, no not 3D, a Christmas train, which is that one that I did ages ago. But unfortunately, it supports that football team called, what's that shittiest football team called in Wales? Liverpool, that's it. Liverpool, so he only wants it in red and white. Could have had it in Everton colours, couldn't he? One of 6 plates to be printed, and this one's going to take 37 minutes. And I've put it in this other printer as well, which this one's another one, the gingerbread man. And that one's going to be 14 minutes. But there's some parts that's going to take hours anyway, so probably won't see that till tomorrow. But for the last few days, I've been getting this ready. The motorhome's going to go live soon, just waiting for approval. And if you don't know out about the motorhome, we're going to raffle it off, £5 a ticket, winner takes it if it meets the target. If it don't meet the target, you're going to get a cash lump sum. And it will be, well, the cash lump goes straight in your bank, to tell you the truth, instantly. It doesn't matter where you are in the world. But the motorhome will be only UK delivered in person. Shame it has to go really, but need the funds to put into a different van, because we need something smaller. And I've been delivered a printer that needs to be put together. I got Anycubic Kubrick X this time. So I've got the bamboos, which honestly, these AMS are a total load of shit, to tell you the truth. It wants this A1 with that AMS, but this one, the AD5X, I ain't had a problem with it yet. It's brilliant, but the problem is, it's my personal preference is the colours. You have to choose the colours manually, but Bamboo choose automatically. So for colourblind people, it's perfect for me. Yeah, so we're going to try this model, see if it's any better, but that'll be on a different video. Good morning. So these are still printed. I've been printing these non-stop, these spools, because they're going up there, because I need to fill this shelf full of spools for this mat, because they're going to be open soon, because there's a lot of models to be done on my new shelving over here. Oh, I've got my lovely new drill. Better than that last, isn't it, Lexi Boo? So this morning, I'm going to print this, I think. I've just been colouring him. I don't know if you do red or yellow eyes, but I think yellow eyes would be better. So just printing him. It looks like 21 hours time. So I'm going to start imprinting on this printer. I just think it's fascinating how it just prints something from a file and it starts just doing it bit by bit like that. And then it just does layer by layer by layer. And actually, on this screen it says it's layer 1 of 167. And then it gets like, you can't really see in there, can you? And then it really, it just fascinates me. And then that's your finished product. You put two together. And there we go, there's another one complete to go onto there. We're getting a shelf, we're getting a shelf. Just print a couple more. That one to finish, that one to finish, that one to finish. And this one is still printing that 20 odd hour print, which there's 15 hours left. So it's getting there, isn't it? And that's nearly done. But that one's got quite on the way to go. That's got another hour and 20. And that one in there has got 3 hours, 50 minutes. Right, we've got this to put together. We've got that bit, we've got that bit, and we've got them two colours this time. So I don't know how this is going to work out, but it can't be as hard as the last one, can it? Oh yeah, I've got pinhead to put together as well, haven't I? That's not going to be the easiest one. We'll try that way. Get in there. Oh yeah, that's gone on now. You know, when you've got arthritis in your fingers, it doesn't help. Boom. We had that bit on there, didn't we? We had that bit on there. Oh, not enough glue. These Pokemon balls, they sell like hotcakes. I'll leave that on there to dry. We need to put some in here, don't we? I don't think I like these colours on this one. Oh, don't put it in there, gotta. That can go in there, that can go in there, and that can go in there. Boom. That one's a bit of a shit one, isn't it? I thought the last one would have been better. It does look like a panda. That'll work, won't it? So I've got pinhead, I've got that piece, I've got this piece, I've got this piece. I think that is all the parts for this model. That's a lot of parts in it. So we've got to put all these pins, right, in his head. So this is going to be a painful process, I think. And after all that time, he's ready. And there he is, all in his glory. There's a beauty as well.
Now then, Gareth, say something funny.
Like and subscribe.